And Colleen, it's looking like Thunder may have a little bit of mud for us to trudge through.
Yes, a little bit of mud. We're above average for rainfall by almost an inch, and we have potentially another inch on the way here over the next few days. So a little muddy, but it's dry, so nothing will be falling from the sky on Saturday. That's what really matters, right? We can get a little mud on our boots. We have some rain that's heading our way. Thankfully, it's not looking severe. In fact, we're not seeing any warnings over southern Illinois, which is always good news because their ingredients are better than us, so it is only going to continue to weaken as it heads our way towards Louisville. But I will be tracking those batch of thunderstorms that's heading towards Evansville. I think that's the only storms that I'm going to be keeping my eyes on. The rest is looking just like some rain, not even seeing any lightning. That's heading towards Grayson County, and then we'll start to see Louisville get some thunder potentially around 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Looking at that risk, it's a little bit higher for Illinois. That's under level 2. For us, level 1, so very minimal risk of maybe seeing a storm squeeze out some hail, but that is at the lower end of the scale. This is a non-zero event overnight tonight, so I think all of us can really sleep easy. Looking at that forecast model, 1 o'clock in the morning, we'll start to see that rain. I'm looking over Evansville, it's a little bit farther to the north. That might be a little farther to the south. Just know forecast models are never exact. So around 1 o'clock, seeing some thunderstorms around this area. Then I'll be crossing the metro at that time till 3 o'clock in the morning. Could see some heavy downpours. Again, could squeeze out some hail, maybe some stronger wind gusts. We do have that wind picking up from the south, but I don't think it's going to be severe warned because of any strong winds out there. It would be hail. By 6 o'clock in the morning, most of the storms will be off farther to the southeast. So if you're in southern Indiana, maybe some lingering sprinkles at the bus stop hour, maybe 1 or 2 lightning strikes around Campbellsville early tomorrow morning, and then all that rain is clearing out. The rest of Wednesday looks pretty nice. We'll start out with some clouds, but by the afternoon, we have some sunshine, temperatures in the low 80s. And we do have a front that's pushing through, so the only thing that front could do is fire up 1 or 2 thunderstorms, almost like a spring-like setup when the ingredients are there. It's nice and sunny, and then all of a sudden, a storm kind of fires up out of nowhere. Models aren't showing it possible, but the ingredients are there. It is trending a little bit drier, so that's only a 20% chance of that happening. Once we head towards Thursday, again, another nice dry sunny day, temperatures in the low 80s, a few clouds, and then that next chance of maybe seeing some storms is overnight, Thursday night through Friday morning. Maybe some more thunderstorms in that forecast. A little bit too far away, but again, we're seeing spurt after spurt of storms here. Over this past week, we really did accumulate around 2 inches, and we're up to 2, almost 3 inches here so far for April. So we're above average already, and we're only halfway through the month. So we will be ending April nice, some spring showers, hopefully some pretty flowers from all the rain we've seen. 81 at the airport right now, and it's 11:20 at night, 81. So it is warm temperatures for this time of year, especially. We're going to continue on that warm trend here over the next few days. So a few lingering showers by 7 o'clock. Most of that rain and storms will clear out by that time. But again, you can still see some clouds in that forecast. By the midday, temperatures in the mid 70s, and then that isolated storm chance into the afternoon. That 40% is on that upper end of the scale. I think it's more of a 20 to 30%. But again, we're going to watch the model runs because there's that chance of it producing some hail. We're going to keep our eyes on that for you. Thursday night to Friday morning, that's that next round of storms. Temperatures in the 80s. Really nice day, Wednesday, Thursday, besides the rain chances. So get out and enjoy the warm sunshine. We'll be back to the 60s. Beautiful weather for Thunder over Louisville. Alex?